Welcome back to CP's Garage, where today we are starting Project Humpty Dumpty. So we're going to start with the oil pan and work our way up to the top, and hopefully by the end of today we will have an engine sitting here. So let's go. Time to open the engine for the first time. Where was this from?
Midwest Diesel.
Midwest Diesel,
Midwest Diesel, yeah. Long time coming.
At least you were able to get one.
Yeah, I think it took delivery over 6 or 8 months ago. It's been sitting in the garage ever since.
Yeah, right now these things are on back order with no ETA. About 3,000 of them on back order.
Yeah, I think Midwest, the last time I talked to them, they're waiting on rocker arms.
Right now, currently, connecting rods and camshafts, according to Copus.
Ooh, baby. They come in the blue bag.
At least it came in the blue bag.
Came in the blue bag.
The anti-rust blue bag.
New turbo.
Woo!
Jared at Midwest was awesome enough to install it for us.
Couldn't they have at least put the manifolds on?
Yeah. Well, I have the manifolds.
Nice.
And then these boxes. Cover gaskets.
Valve cover gaskets. Oh, what do we got here? Oil cooler.
Yep.
And what's that?
Separator. I'm gonna guess the crankcase
CCVs.
back. This is the updated one. Crank.
Exhaust manifold studs. Some desiccant packs. Damn.
Good. New cam sensor.
Nice.
New crank sensor.
Perfect.
Glow plug's already in there.
Okay, the seal is in there. We just need to put the reluctor in there. New pulley on the front.
Oh wow, I didn't see that.
Well, we've got the oil cooler on, the upper pan, engine mounts, and look what we found when we were cleaning the lower pan. A bunch of metal. This engine was on the way out before we even knew it. Oh my God. All right, we got the lower pan on. We're waiting on the valve covers to come back from power wash. Look at this piece of gold. 10 of these fine crank shaft bolts that are on indefinite back order with like 80,000 of them. But the reason I'm here is to tell you this. If you're doing these engines, don't forget your reluctor wheel. It will not start and you will be pissed because you'll have to pull the trans out. All right, the valve covers came back from the car wash. Unfortunately, we got yelled at for cleaning it, but it is what it is. But we have the lower complete. We got the flex plate on. I say in the next couple hours we'll have it back in its home for the first time in like 3 years. So let's get back to it. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys that this one is studded and the crank and cam gears both been welded. So if this pump fails, it's going to have some mass damage. Here we go. We're gonna set this in here. Hopefully, I'm gonna try to do this one-handed and film it. Unless Seth wants to hold the phone and film.
We'll figure it out once we get going.
Let's take it up and over. Killeray was here. The old Dirty Mac's doing work. So far, we need to go back a little bit.
Yeah.